Today, we are going to learn a Axure trick. For instance, when you click the button above, it can select or unselect all items below, and then you can show actions of them. Here, the action is delete, which is hidden by default. We will create all the items below as dynamic panels. This way, we can control the selection state of all the elements inside by controlling the selection state of the dynamic panel. Then, we add a click interaction to the select/unselect button. Toggle the selection state of the dynamic panel below. Enter the dynamic panel. You can see that the background of the item has a selected style effect. When you select the dynamic panel, you can see that it doesn't have a select/unselect interaction. We can achieve this through a trick. Drag in a rectangle, set it to hidden, and then add a selected interaction to this rectangle to show the delete button. Add an unselected interaction to hide the delete button. Preview the prototype. Click the select/unselect button to toggle the selected state of the list below and the selected state of the delete button. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.